In this video, I will show you how to confirm an appointment in Hostinger Website Builder booking system. This is a website that's built using Hostinger Website Builder, and first, let's make an appointment that we can confirm later in this video. Let's book this table for 4 person. Click on book now. This calendar will open up. Select your date, 8 p.m. Click on book. This is the checkout page. Fill in the email address. The name and the country. Let's use US. And this is the state. Confirm booking. This is a manual payment that I've added to this online store, and this is the description. Place an order. Thank you for your order. Now let's locate this appointment on our Hostinger account. Go to websites. On this account, I have multiple websites, and this website is this one. So click on Manage Store next to your website in order to go straight to the store management area. Now, to confirm this appointment, simply click on Orders from this left side menu. Then click on the order you want to confirm, just like that. And from this order details page, click on Mark as completed. I know that this button says mark it as completed and not confirmed, but from my experience, if I click on this button, the client will receive a confirmation email in his inbox. Let's check it. If you have completed the service, mark it as completed. Just click on mark as completed. Item fulfilled, and let's see the email message the client will receive in his inbox. This is my inbox, and as you can see, your order has been confirmed. Let's check the message details. Your order from Ben's restaurant is confirmed. You have selected pay as the restaurant as the payment method. We accept all. This is the product details, the total, the total paid, and the payment method used. And this is how to confirm an appointment in Hostinger Website Builder booking system. Thank you for watching. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and thank you for your like.